Thank you for stopping by Ballistic BBQ. On today's video, we are doing another Copycat burger, the Double Cheeseburger from Redhot Ranch in Chicago. Let's get going. Hey everyone, a quick break in this video. I've never done anything like this before, but I just received notice that a buddy of mine, Chris Goodlander, he owns Lone Star Grills, great guy. One of his employees, his wife, was diagnosed with stage 4 bone cancer. So Chris is trying to raise a little money to help this young family out. 4 kids, they're gonna need some help. So Chris is hosting a giveaway. He's giving away one of his, it's a 24-inch offset smoker. So I will have a link down below. When you're done watching the burger video, please check out Chris's video. It'll have all the information you need. Back to the video. Really excited about doing this burger recipe. Several sites have named this Chicago's best burger. It is right up my alley. Thin smashed patties, just real basic. It's got a secret sauce on it that we're going to make right now. I have here 1/4 cup of mayo. One-quarter cup ketchup. One tablespoon dill relish. 1 teaspoon distilled white vinegar. And I have here 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of white sugar. Give this a mix. And there we go. Set this aside and we'll start making this burger. Very basic hamburger bun here, no sesame seeds or anything, just a very quick toast. And very quick. Here we go. Patties are going to be 3 ounces of 80/20 ground beef. It's ground chuck. And I'm going to allow those balls of meat just to cook there almost a minute before we smash it. Okay, we're going to smash it now, and I'm using this. This is actually sold as what they call it a steak weight. This is what they use at the Redhot Ranch, and I did a bunch of Googling to find this thing. I'll have a link down below. All right, so we're going to go ahead and smash this bad boy. Sort of smear it around. Very thin patty. Now to me it looks like they're just using good old Lowry seasoning salt, so that's what I'm going to use. And on a patty that's this thin, you don't need to season both sides, it'll be over seasoned. All right, we're going to flip these, good old scraper. American cheese. While we finish the burgers off, we're going to go ahead and prep the buns. So on this top bun, we're going to put that special sauce down. Now we have some chopped onions. 2 tomato slices. Some regular old iceberg lettuce. There is nothing fancy about this burger. It's just a good burger. Just, again, there's so many that fall under this category. All right, these are done. Now very carefully. And there you go, my version of the double cheeseburger from Chicago's Redhot Ranch. Let's give this a try. Just screams classic, diner burger. Again, There are so many. I pore over the internet looking at top burgers, you know, to get ideas, and also, you know, just researching what my viewers suggest. So many of the top rated burgers are like this, just no bells and whistles, just good food, good every person food. Did that make sense? Anyway, let's give this a go. It's just a very comforting burger. You know, the soft, basic hamburger buns, that crisp, you know, caramely patty. I think the Lowry's works very well with this. The thing I really like is that the sauce is a winner, but just the crispy bites of onion you get, and then right into that cool, you know, the fresh tomato. Again, nothing fancy, but everything good. I mean, this is just a good hamburger. And have a new toy now. This was not exactly what I'd call cheap, but I'll get some use out of it. And again, I kind of obsess over trying to stay as accurate as I can. So you don't have to use one of these, a good heavy spatula. Again, for something like this, if you don't want to pick up this, just a good heavy duty spatula and press it down with a handle of something else. And you'll be able to get the same results. But wow. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Again, as always, if you're not subscribed, thank you for stopping by, and I'd appreciate you hitting the subscribe button. Make sure you guys are hitting that bell so you get notifications. That'll make me happy. Keep the suggestions coming in. See you on the next video. Oh, the beer. So this is Red Bridge, and this caught my eye because it's made with sorghum. So it's gluten-free sorghum beer. It is made without wheat or barley, and it's actually a product of Anheuser-Busch, but it's Red Bridge. And I tried this last night because I was just so curious. I was trying to make a decision if it was worth showing in my video. And it's actually very good. It's a lager, and the nose, right off the bat, you actually kind of pick up that sorghum smell. But it's got a nice kind of a toasty bread flavor, if that makes any sense, with some sweetness. But the sorghum's what caught my eye. I'm not allergic to gluten, so I don't avoid gluten. But if you are, I was also reading some of the reviews, and a lot of the gluten-free people, they're digging on it because it actually tastes like beer. But it's good. It's very, very refreshing. Anyway, see you in the next video. Cheers.